Gonna get some more food with that spoon of yours? Let's go. Let's see. Oh, iron grip. Oh. How's that? Is that pretty good? Let's get some more on that spoon here. There you go. Good job. Oops. Yeah, you don't want to stick it too far back. I forgot to tell you that, didn't I? Yeah, you don't want to stick it too far back in here. Yeah. Good job. That's a big spoon for a little mouth. Hi, Daniel. Kate's eating with a spoon, see?
I'm in the picture too. I'm blocking you guys.
Your hair is in Kate's spoon.